In the previous video, we have understood how to create composite entity, and we have done this step where direction step are converted into one value. Now, in this video, we will convert this value into an object. For that, I'll go to entities and under direction steps, what I'll do is that after the entity name, I'll add colon and a variable name. Okay. For every entity, I'll follow this step. Entity name colon variable name. Entity name colon variable name. So now I'll do it for all the cases. Okay, for this as well. Again, entity name colon variable name. Okay. Now we are done. Again, entity name colon variable name. I'll save this. Yeah. I'll wait for, okay, training is not starting again. So I'll go to setting, ML setting, and click on train. Yeah, training is complete now. Okay, let's look into this. Okay, now I'll say 5 forward steps. Okay, 5 forward is extracted. I'll refresh this page one more time. I'll say 5 forward steps, hopefully. Okay, it did not work this time again. One more time, 5 forward steps. I'm not sure what's the problem with this, but let me retrain it. Let me check everything is there. Yeah, everything is there. I'm not sure. Yeah, there is no issue as well. I'll say 5 forward steps. Oops. Yeah, now it worked. Okay, you can see that now our parameter is converted into an object, and this is our variable name is assigned the value 5 and direction is assigned with forward. So in this way, you can create composite entities to extract values from user's query and convert that into an object so that it is very easy to use in backend, or you can say in the webhook fulfillment, it is very easy to use. So let's move forward and understand context in the next video.